Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women hakistarik na hitung aja pun Rio kelapan tim commission kelapelong ya jing tokit hadin makalay opdang ya kajing ujo nakakenhun kisamla kentai kiba mi khmat ya kajala hakajing la kai cricket haka under 23 bala keno begila salik kenchlen bat ongru ka syong pat ka Meghalaya Cricket Association ban syim ya karai namar kathma ka di ka jongki om jong ka commission hakajing kran begila sai khubor ka chairperson jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women ka kong yaman lang siem klai thu pakajingwan ujor kisamla kentai le kai cricket hadin san banai kata nadu banai jemang aja open rio kalong halo ka nongrem bekinong elam jong ka Meghalaya Cricket Association kim shimla shimkhia wat haba kini kisamla kilapha ya kajing ujor link ba ka email nadu banai no opera aja opsan kalai thu bahadin kajing to oket kababanya labun sien na kini ba keno bat nagi basha keno ka commission kelapan mi ya ka hukum ban suspend katu ka ni banai yu head coach kat bayu assistant manager la ajing met baka Meghalaya Cricket Association kadi ben weng bet nakakam
kania ka case jo kini ki under 23 women cricketers team kala kta iki babon no kini shukwa ban chai kan dia kania namal ba ni la le iki bade kwa ban chai nung pong do e bam de ban shimani kini ka case ki wan ujor kini ki kana but maki kila apna do banai December hadu banai May mo kata mut san banai ba kila shuab isawan check commission but ni sashim ti ban bat hangta bania kendo bat kim de bania kendo ban sien ya kendo tu kan ni sien ban suk tho mo ban suk tho e kata jing e ka jong ti but the reality then jong problem ka jong ti they based on that but there is a khot e kito kin form ba ki complain against regarding head coach but way but there the assistant manager no so ngilap ba kade gijing shisha kula violate in the Posh Act no sexual harassment at the workplace but ni so si ban ong ya kata tang ba le no kat kon jing ja ka long ta ke ni pen kendo ya ni kendo she ki mo me de ka long fair ban ni kendo she ki ban snap ki ke bi ta pai but pen kendo ya ki ro ka tu kana complain ya ki te ni lap ba kade gijing shisha but makiru kim la hi ban len kata nama ba shisha ka don they based on that ni sa make an order but can make a recommendation from head coach but can suspend no you suspend you tu kan ni benai but kamtam le bam dan kenjing ya dai but kana mani pendo e but kana okay the your assistant manager they ni recommend ba sha ban dismiss ban when no marka kla kham long ba kham associate jinja dia na lor kata pada kadon kadon kini kijing puli pada ba umno kini kena kila ai kini complain ado December bat mai tarik ka email maka email ba kini ki officials pada kinam kitkam jong ke MCA pada ki campaign kya kemya le ki singi ila ban ong mo ila ban up kan re du san banai ban up pada kala ban ila ban tiang mo dia namar makiru kita kisau mo ta officials ru kita nak complain de mengingi hak hot yaki mai is the girls complain semua kalau ada nak complain jom itu kena nanti tingi hot yaki but nia kedua nia keren but ni ngap ki statement jom ki but ki on nia halor kan nia but kedua ru but ki kap tu kan ni kena nanti oh namar ban di benong fair mo di benong sidang ni no but ngilap kap tu kat ni kijing lap ba itsa nang ya thon po legal consultant jomni kamba kawai ngilap ban ong ba ki ai ka ga daw ba ka don ka election to por but ka don ro ka ka court case na ta daw ki put kam Henry kijing kali yang ni pada ka long kum dia kan ni susi ban ong ba she sing arsit klap ban klap kan ba ki put kam ni ro khoi mo Henry hadu san banai dia ketuk san penai la banja ki bon ke iki kajing mai taki kena dan iki kijing ja a lot of things can happen mo takadaw ni susi benong ba ki lale ki benong benong morally responsible mo benong instinct ya kan ya kam takadai ba ki kena safety ki jong ki the very people that they're there ya kita ki ba ki don hang to ban yarap ban ni ban ya dai ya ki ya kata ki mle mo te ki ho ya kata ni yo snow ba president bo ong ba kala dai ko for ba ong khamwan pala chko office na ka daw ki pe hi ga email tamam dan ba ya thoyo kata ka dai ke jing ong ke jing te ya kata pa dia long issue ong ba kala ong institutionally constitutionally and morally he is responsible also but ki we te kata de way Andre ya unio operations manager pa dia ni yo I ba ula de ble ka kamram ula de bi tho yo ya treasurer but yo secretary takata di tang kamram ka jong te ula de palat ya kata ye ni appreciate ya kata no ya kata ka jing long sure jong ban ya tho Andre kem ban chu sho ba da kan tang kata ba sigi kan tu ba khoi bam de ban chu ngap tang yo snow Andre yo I ke jing ja kom kine phi ban kam mi shakmat kali jing kali wat balik kem le mo tang kata kan chu dan kata ka jing khat ya kan ni ka jing le ka jong kini an got mo re ya secretary pada but you treasurer pada te ni so tho la ki jing ya kali jong ni ba ka statement ka jong ki nei ba ki ban sabatai hadian ba maki kilatem tang ba le se mo kom kata ba ong ba ki bo kem ki ken sting ya kan ni but ya gani kam but kem shim kya ya gani kam but they are responsible for morally again constitutionally and institutionally responsible for this no and they dan kata ki kem bo ro ha bo kana ka new apex council I think that ki ya kan do meeting hadian ro ki kem bo kata ka agenda no the ya kataro kumbangila apau shisha but means kin sabatai bahai po legal council jongi arwan kin sabatai bah ke stand ke jong the secretary mo tingi sosi ban crunch funky ni ke bro khoi ta pa nyap ni pada kata ka order but ka recommendation mo kat kum ka por ka pangidan mo shupni ya kita bagi lale kita bagi kem le ka badai mo dia ka shong ba ka MCA kata ba ka jurisdiction jom kita kile ni shupni ba ka finding namang ni we have to be true to what we are hearing mo and nothing more nothing less dia ka shong ba ka MCA ka le kat kum ka board ba ka constitution jom ki kata ta kam de ka thma ga jom ni ka thma ga jom ki pat ngiru ngi bun kam ngi kwa ro na phim beling ya wan man ta si ro ban panchai kini ke eng ki nang ba phim nom ya no ngi phi kwa ban kli no man ta na mal beling ngi kwa ban ya bun kam ki we te kam ya kan ni ngi la dap te ka kam no ngi la panchai but kala dap hopefully kam nom wan chu ha ngi na mal bani man ka si ki la mi ki we ki kam mo de they mean will appreciate the press also unless you have very important questions to ask us that we are not clear about long kat bala hi to ai ni tre ka kam jong mo but ya ka badai pada ka thama ba ong ti badai ki jingnya ka jala ne ki jingnya ne ala ne ki badai shabar pada te kare ka another domain mo ba om de ki jong MCD mo te ngisko pan ong ba tang kan dia ro ban kumbang la de kran karang ro ban ye le inspection ban ye le pet but ki pon ki jing do na shisha but ki la ban there's room for improvement mo kum ko khatam ka bam ka di nutrition nang ta pa de ka jing long ki privacy dan dian pa de ko ta kan ter de be ka jing kan to jong ni pa de ko khato ka de na man ta ki current officials and the president dan dep no ikan ka kam wet no kana ba kam nom dan kata ka jing to te ha ka jing kam pisa kam tam kana ba kim nom suffer mo kim nom don jing e te kini kinong kit kam ka we kata bat dah baki jing e ka don hang ta kini ki affect pada ki cricketers kin ye de channel kin compete the very dream that they have pada kim nom la ban le kata tini kan tu ye baro ba kin le wood ya kan ya kam kana ba kan yat bet no but cricket team we wish the best ya kan cricket association akan nang yat chakmat ban kan tiu nam ya kan ta ribet jadi
yo I ke tu ka ayu nai ni la communicate with SP SP pada lah ada dia thok kan yang ke ibadah benda re bla ada dia orang baik lah itu kena pentai lah rush for one stop center for medical ni sapan report pada kan both from the one stop center but put in the kan SP yang lah ada rayu but kidan kiwe ro lah ibadah hang tuan ni dengan saya the full report dia lu kembang ni om ni hal we take cognizance about the NCW kalau ada orang lain take suit to action thì tên mà các con của bà buồn á thì giờ cái gì bực lạ đẹp lẹ cái về này ni học ni ya cái về thế thì đơn tăng chi ni again the commission thì sẽ số của cái cầm cái bấm mì nó đầu cái bậc kim lẹ cái về vượt ni này bạn ni vượt tiền cái cũng sẽ chân cái về cái chaka và ban về nó dan bor ki ramba shlong ye kene jaka kun kita ni be ya taban lagi wat lagi but no we also concerned man kasi kimi kun kita ke but kami hanus mending ye tu berok khoi tu long shlong no sensation we are just here for work we do what we have to do em min se yo to report no ya namar ting no kadikan kita ngaso ki kakam ki jong ki wei ini ban ai la te bakin trail ya kret lebih ong be ai dok kata report ba pri ting ki pat yo ha ban pendep ki kam ni ham burong ki ya kakam jong ki wei kan
kumbala ong madam mane sepang kini to hakani ke kes jungi mentang ni don atli ki complain ke penengkong bat complain ke ba complain ke penengkong ke de complain ya armut ki respondent wei de head coach wei de assistant manager complain ke ba pada ya ki saumut ki MCA member ki babat ha ke pokor araja perusahaan dalam kumap dai kini ki order bagi guidelines jungi ni la labba itu armut kemut kila hak pokok Posh Act da kan lihat ngan matai phi akan ke section 2 jong ko Posh Act ko ong ba la da ino kino ki baya hak lik bi trailang kin la da ki aya kini ke remarks verbal remarks ka panlong bom siok tanat ikin thai kin hak pokok ta act te u head coach jungi la hak lang ba ka section jong ko Posh Act da kan dia diune assistant manager pada ka kham long pair kan dia ba ka dan kan dia ka physical touch ro kan dia dan tak kadang ni nak pas ro ya order ba ya head coach ka dai ban suspend ka tu kan ni benai ya manager pada ka dai ban terminate te lengba ko mane bakila kali ba lengba ya kini ki sawut pada ki ex member jong ka but present member jong ka MCA ro kila ha kondan ba balai kim take action ha ko por ya kini ki complain kita ko complain ha 3 December but 3 December jong 1000% te lengba kata ngila pas ko order ko ba pilai ba ka MCA lengba ka ombudsman jong ki shin ni disciplinary action ni Tesa kawai gitu kucing kali mana bagi orang ba ngam pensyai kinit balai present president iklam ngat ma takkan ni ke case ka ba poison ikam der ke case ka ba ngi orang ka pareng ka sumoto bang la shim ki ke case ka ba file complaint nang ba kitu bisa ngot kitu ki complainant dalam ba ke complainant kitu bisa ngot bagi file ki peni ikini kerteng nrimo te kat kum ke civil court civil suit ngam pensyai kinit gila hi ke court kala ban at respondent ladang ni i bang don kam han vei men la patai mandam bang la khot di present president ni i bang don kam bat ni nim la ro do kata ka extend bangin shu at hi ek kerteng respondent ta kadang nim la ban at mu i hane complainant work ai try lai i ek report ek order a complainant versus respondent the base na ko to complain bai paki ai ki khana ni ai ki order base lamba ko to ta kadang iklam pass ek order ka ba ya dai ban at ban respondent yu president Henry kumba on madam mane ngila ai ya kan ik order pada ngila directly ya i president MCA president of MCA but in kit kia but in follow up ya kan ni but pentrai kam ya kan ik order jumi ni ai por i lai pusi in compliance ya kan ka order ladangin ko comply ni kini order ke commission pada kan perkhat da welcome kumno benle bangin ya dai ki kin thai kiba bele cricket ba shwa katang tepat ithi ban nyai sha lai kusi by president in ship chai kini ka haki kumuyong haki case kinu ki aggrieved person la dakim su tanat ya ko order kila ban appeal ya kata kila ban point don raya kata ka nimla ra ban khang ki ban let shakut la dak let shakut ngi pedang ila follow up ya ka procedure kat kum batai kat kum ka ak kepala ayang ni por ban follow mina le ya kam.com ta ka shong haki pedang ya kata la dak let high court and other courts ngi tiang ya kata ngi le
Also, to add to what ma'am had said just before this, it is we have civil powers, okay, under the Act, the Meghalaya State Commission Act of 2005. So we cannot pass any criminal orders, okay. That is to be very clear. If we also have to act only within the powers given to us, and we have to follow the process of law as mentioned in the POSH Act. If you read our orders against the POSH Act, you will see that exactly what we can pass. It is that only that I have. It is only that we have passed. Okay. So apart from that, yes. To answer your question, if anybody we have been taken to the Meghalaya High Court for many orders. Okay. And we go and we represent, we file an affidavit in reply. We currently have 3 cases also actually right now in the Meghalaya High Court where people have taken us, and we do things as per the law. We follow the rule book to the T. When we have not, we admit that we have not. Everyone makes mistakes and we are first to open, right? We are all humans.
Should be like that.
Yeah. So if people want to take us to court also, we live in a democratic country, you are free to do.
We've done our bit, it's out of our hands. What the MCA does, that's their department, that is their field. So we have gone on with our lives, we've gone on with our own hearings, we've gone on with our own cases. What they do, it's up to them, no? That shouldn't be a question to be posed to us because that's not within our purview in that way. But I appreciate that fact that you're curious because this is a follow-up or a consequence of what has gone on before. I'm sure they will clean up and do what they have to do. Yeah, but then they will question. But that is as I said, outside our domain. We have done our bit.
The operations manager was, as per the statements given here at the commission, he was verbally given the duty of checking the emails. So the operations manager did verbally inform the treasurer and the secretary that these complaints had come in. So I think that is the action that he had taken. And the secretary had replied to him saying something. So that is what we meant, that they knew because the operations manager had informed them. So that is an action, right? Informing is also an action. So he did take action on his part. From the treasurer's part, of course, he has his own statement where he says that he did not know about this and that nothing was done, obviously, as you can see. And the secretary, from the statement of the operations manager, had said that we will deal with this after the elections.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.